Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to buy V-Bucks with Cash App. Well, short answer is you can't buy V-Bucks with Cash App directly on Fortnite as a payment method for purchasing the V-Bucks. For a workaround, with your Cash App balance, buy a prepaid Visa card or gift cards for platforms like PlayStation, Xbox or Epic Games Store. Add the gift card to or the prepaid Visa card to the respective platform to your Fortnite account and use the funds from your prepaid card to purchase V-Bucks directly within Fortnite or through the digital platform's store. While it's not a direct method, this workaround ensures you can still use your Cash App funds for V-Bucks. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.